Ooh. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel this. This is so soft. Wow, this one is so cool. I wasn't sure what to expect with this. You wanna be in a video? Wanna be in a video? Hey there, my wedding planning friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little bit of a different kind of video. Wedding stationery is something that can add up so quickly, and I know a lot of my clients struggle with finding the right wedding stationery, exactly what you need when it comes to wedding stationery, save the dates, invitations, RSVP response cards, and all that stuff. Like, what do you really need? Where do I get it? And it adds up super quick, especially if you have someone doing any hand lettering or calligraphy or addressing, or if you're getting any of those really specialty paper invitations. So I was doing a little bit of research and seeing if there was some businesses that I wasn't really familiar with when it comes to wedding stationery, and so I could provide my clients with some more options when it comes to pricing and what you can get for your money and all of that sort of thing. So I found this company, Basic Invite, and this is not sponsored or paid for. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that. This is just something that I thought I would share with you guys. I talked to somebody at Basic Invite and checked out their website and everything, and they had some really great looking pieces, and so I ordered a bunch of samples so that I could, get my hands on their product and really see what it was like, what the quality was like, and if it was something that I wanted to be able to share with my clients, because their prices were a lot less expensive than places like Minted or those really specialty wedding stationery sites. So they just came in the mail, and I'm gonna open this. It hasn't been opened yet. I'm gonna open it right in front of all of you guys. You can see my genuine reaction and get a little sneak peek into some of their products. So this is their folder that really shows you kind of the different products you can get, different information on their colors. Wow, look at all those colors. There's quite a lot. These are really beautiful. Another cool thing is they do free address labeling too, I believe, for, I think the majority of their collections do come with an address service as well, which is pretty nifty. Cool, okay, let's get into the good stuff. All right, here they are. Let's see. So I ordered, I think, 5 different ones, and they're all in one envelope. So let's see if I can get them all organized here. So the first one, this is actually from their, scoot up. This is from their thank you collection. So it's really beautifully illustrated. I wanted to see how their colors printed and all that, because sometimes things can look really good on the computer, but the coloring can be different on the computer versus when you actually get it on paper in person. I don't know if you can tell in the video, probably not, but there's a little shimmer. There we go, a little shimmer to the card as well. But there's the illustrations, really, really beautiful. And again, this is just a thank you card, so it's just blank on the inside. And then there was a matching, I know I ordered, yeah, here it is. So this actually matches, ooh, oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel this. This is so soft. So I actually ordered their velvet paper. They have a velvet paper, and that's what this one is. So it matches the thank you card. I don't know if you can see it. So it's got that same illustration as on here. So nice, sweet to kind of tie everything in together. And this paper is so soft. It feels super, super nice. Wow, that's really beautiful. Cool. Ooh, this turned out super cool. All right, let's see if I can put this behind it. So in addition to the matte and different luxury paper styles that a lot of these online places do offer, Basic Invite actually has this really cool clear acrylic. So, I mean, it is paper. It's not a piece of plastic like table numbers that you see, but it really looks like it, especially if you're using a lot of those acrylic table numbers or menu items or anything like that. This would be a really nice way to tie in that sort of really elegant, clear. So I put the envelope behind it. It's clear, so it's kind of hard to see. I'll put the envelope behind it. Does that help a little bit? There we go. So it's like a plastic clear paper. I feel like you could probably make menus with this as well, for if you're gonna have little menus on your place settings. Super pretty. So got, ooh, this is really pretty. So I got a watercolored one. So it's, I just wanted to see a couple other different colors. So it's purple on the back. It has these nice beveled edges, which is an option that you can choose on the website. You can do just square corners, rounded corners, these little bevel edges. I think there was another little option there, but. So this is just their matte paper, I believe. It's just a nice cardstock, feels really nice, high quality. I don't know if you can see the calligraphy on there. I probably would choose maybe a different color combo. I was kind of curious how that would look, but I really do like that watercolor in the background. It looks like it's actually watercolor. It's really nice. All right, I wanted to see some more of their options for foil. They also have a lot of foil options, which is pretty common amongst most wedding stationery places. So this one is really cool. It's like marble. I don't know if you can see, if you can kind of catch the little glimmer of the foil on the gold there. Super cool. On the back it's marble as well. So just plain on the back, or no lettering on the back, just the marble. And lettering on the front. Super, super cool. I like the simplicity of it, and it feels, again, it's really soft. I'm not sure which paper this was. I think with the foil it has to be there's only a certain couple of options. But it feels really soft, really nice, really high quality, and I know this one wasn't that expensive. So super cool to be able to have that really sparkle foil. It really adds an extra element of elegance for sure. So I also got envelopes that go with these two that I should probably be showing you. So this one I got just a plain white, and then it has gold lined on the inside. There's a ton of different envelope options that you can choose and really customize for colors and what kind, if you want like the foil on the inside, or if you want it plain, a little bit of sparkly on the outside. Let's see, yeah, this one it's a black, but it's got a little bit of shimmer. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, let's see, I got a couple more, I believe. Oh, this was an envelope for another one. Really pretty blue color. Ooh, and it's the envelope to this one. Wow, this one is so cool. I wasn't sure what to expect with this. This is wood, you guys. Like, this is actually wood. That is incredible. Is that paper? Is that wood? No, it's wood. It's like two little pieces of wood together. Wow, that is so cool. Okay, so this is a save the date. I like the simplicity of just kind of the white lettering on the front against that wood. It looks like it's stenciled on there. So that's it for the invitations and save the dates that I got. I did also get a little Escort card because I was curious how they felt and the material of paper and kind of what it looked like. I just got a basic. Again, it's just this, it's a watercolor at the bottom. They have a lot of options for these Escort cards. So if you're someone that's doing a seating chart and you need to have, or a plated meal and you need to have people's names written out on their actual spot and you want to have them look cuter than just kind of holding a piece of paper, they have a lot of really cool options that can really tie in the rest of your theme for your wedding. Well, that's all I have for that. I just wanted to show you guys some of the goodies that I got. Again, this is from Basic Invite, and you can go online. I believe their website is just basicinvite.com. You can check it out and see. They have a ton of options online, and they seem to be more inexpensive than some of the other places that I have found. So I just wanted to share that with all of you. Thanks so much for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss any other videos on wedding planning tips and advice, and we'll see you next week.